Good morning, students. 12th standard business maths, 4th chapter differential equation, exercise 4.5. Solve the following differential equations. The fourth sum, d square y divided by dx square minus 2k into dy divided by dx plus k square y equal to 0. Solution. The auxiliary equation is m square minus 2km plus k square equal to 0. M square minus 2km plus k square equal to 0. So factorize k square, k into k minus k into minus k is plus k square, and then minus 2k. So what is the factorization? M minus k into m minus k equal to 0. So find this value. M minus k equal to 0, comma m minus k equal to 0, or so m equal to k or m equal to k, we should take right hand side plus k, m equal to k. So both values are, the roots are real and equal. K is real and equal. Both values are roots. Two values are equal. K. So complementary function CF equal to real and equal, then ax plus b into e power mx is the formula. Substitute this value. M is what? K. Ax plus b into e power, m value is k, we should substitute kx. So ax plus b into e power kx. We should find out the general solution. Right side is 0. General solution also what is a complementary function. Therefore, the general solution is y equal to ax plus b into e power kx. That's all. Fifth sum, d square minus 2d minus 15 into y equal to 0. Given that dy divided by dx equal to 0 and d square y divided by dx square equal to 2 when x equal to 0. Solution. The auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m minus 15 equal to 0. Now factorize minus 15, factorize then minus 15, factorize then minus 15, add then minus 2. So 3 5s are 15, minus 5 plus 3, multiple then minus 15, add then 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So factorize value is m plus 3 into m minus 5 equal to 0. So m plus 3 equal to 0 or m minus 5 equal to 0, m equal to minus 3 or m equal to 5. The roots are, it's a m1 value, we should take m1 equal to minus 3 and m2 equal to 5. The roots are real and unequal. Therefore complementary function CF equal to, formula is a e power m1x plus b e power m2x is the formula. So complementary function equal to a e power m1 is a minus 3x plus b e power m2 is a 5x. This is a complementary function. The general solution is y equal to, the right side is 0, so complementary function is a general solution a e power minus 3x plus b e power 5x. Next here given dy divided by dx equal to 0 and d square y divided by dx square equal to 2 when x equal to 0. So we should find out first one dy divided by dx. Next we should find out d square y divided by dx square. So differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate then dy divided by dx equal to, it's a into e power minus 3x, differentiate then e power minus 3x into minus 3x differentiate then what is minus 3 plus b into e power 5x, differentiate then e power 5x differentiate then 5 into 5. So dy divided by dx equal to minus 3 into a e power minus 3x plus b into 5 into b is what, 5b e power 5x. So this is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. Differentiate with respect to, again differentiate with respect to x, then d square y divided by dx square. Differentiate then what is here, d square y divided by dx square equal to minus 3a into e power minus 3x, differentiate then e power minus 3x into minus 3x differentiate then minus 3 plus b into e power 5x 5b into e power 5x differentiate then 5. So that is equal to d square y divided by dx square equal to minus 3 into minus 3 is a plus 9, 3 3 is a 9, a e power minus 3x plus 5 5 is a 25, b e power 5x. This is the equation number 3. Given dy divided by dx equal to 0 and d square y divided by dx square equal to 2 when x equal to 0. So we should substitute these values 1 and first and second and third equations from 2. What is dy divided by dx is what, 0 equal to minus 3 a into e power minus 3 into x value is 0 plus 5b into e power 5 into x value 0. So 0 equal to minus 3a into minus 3 into 0 is 0 e power 0 plus 5 into b e power 5 into 0 is 0 e power 0, that implies 0 equal to 3a minus 3a plus 5b. Here e power 0 equal to what is the value? 1. So minus 1, then minus 3a into 1 is minus 3a. 5 into 5b into e power 0 value 1. So 5b into 1 is 5b. This is the equation number 4. Next one, from 3, third equation we should take substitute this value. D square y divided by dx square is 2. 2 equal to 9a e power minus 3x. 9a e power minus 3 into x value 0 plus 25b e power 5 into x value is 0. So 2 equal to 9a into e power minus 3 into 0 is e power 0 plus 25b e power 5 into 0 is 0. That implies 2 equal to 9a e power 0 value is what? 1. So 1 into 9a is 9a plus 25b into 1 is what? 25b. This is the equation number 5. Solve 4 and 5. We should find out a and b values. So we should multiply by fourth equation, multiply by 3, then 9a. Here 9a already given, so we should solve them. We can eliminate. That implies 0. 3 into 0 0. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9a. 5 3 is 15b. Next of fifth equation, 2 equal to 9a plus 25b. We should add, then it is eliminate. Minus 9a plus 9a cancel. 0 plus 2 is 2 equal to 15 plus 25 is 40b. That implies 40b b equal to 2 divided by 40. Take down, then 2 divided by 40. So this is a cancel one time, 2 table, one time, 2 times 20. So b value 1 divided by 20. Substitute b equal to 1 by 20 in fourth equation. 4, then what is the 0 equal to minus 3a plus 5 into b value 1 divided by 20. So 5 and 20 cancel 4 times. So 0 equal to minus 3a plus 1 by 4. That implies 1 by 4 take left, minus 1 by 4 equal to minus 3a. So minus minus cancel. So 3 we should take down, then a equal to 1 divided by 3 4s are 12. A value 1 divided by 12. Substitute a equal to 1 by 12 and b equal to 1 by 20 in 1. The first equation is we know that y equal to a e power minus 3x plus b e power 5x. A and b values substitute here. Y equal to a value 1 divided by 12 e power minus 3x plus b value 1 divided by 20 e power plus 5x. So we should write y equal to 1 into e power minus 3x is minus e power minus 3x divided by 12 plus 1 into e power 5x is e power 5x divided by 20. That's all. This is 4d square plus 4d minus 3 into y equal to e power 2x. Solution. The auxiliary equation is is 4m square plus 4m minus 3 equal to 0. Now factorize m square coefficient is what? 4. 4 into minus 3. 4 into minus 3 equal to 4 3s are 12, minus 12. So factorize, then we get to multiply is minus 12, add then 4. 2 6 are 12. So minus 2 plus 6. Multiple then minus 12, add then plus 4. So multiply by 4. So we should take a divide by 4 here. So 4 and 2 is cancel. How many times? Minus 1 time, 2 times, 2 table, 3 times, 2 times. So 3 by 2. So factorize value is m minus 1 by 2 into m plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So now separate we should take m minus 1 by 2 equal to 0 or m plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So m equal to 1 by 2 or m equal to 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. We should take a plus 3 by 2 is the right hand side, minus 3 by 2. The complementary function, this is the m1 we should take negative value first. M1 equal to minus 3 by 2, m2 equal to 1 by 2. The complementary function is CF. Complementary function is a e power m1x plus b e power m2x. Complementary function CF equal to a e power m1x plus b e power m2x. So we should substitute here this value. A e power m1 is minus 3 by 2x plus b e power m2 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2x. So this is a complementary function. Next we should find out the particular integral. PA, particular integral, equal to 1 divided by pi of d into e power 2x, e power 2x, that is equal to 1 divided by 4d square, 4d square plus 4d minus 3 into e power 2x. So we should substitute d is 2. We should substitute here 1 divided by 4 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 minus 3 into e power 2x. So that is equal to d value is what? 2. We should substitute. So 4 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 minus 3. So 1 divided by 4 into 2 square is 4 plus 4 2s are 8 minus 3 into e power 2x. So this is a particular integral. Particular integral equal to 1 divided by 4 4s are 16 plus 8 minus 3 is 5 into e power 2x. That is equal to 1 divided by 16 plus 5 is 21 e power 2x. particular integral pi equal to e power 2x, 1 into e power 2x is e power 2x divided by 21. Next, the general solution is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Y equal to complementary function is a e power minus 3 by 2x, a e power minus 3 by 2 into x plus b e power 1 by 2 into x plus particular integral is e power 2x divided by 21. E power 2x divided by 21. That's all. Seventh sum, d square y divided by dx square plus 16y equal to 0. The sum is the homework. Do it. Eighth sum, d square minus 3d plus 2 into y equal to e power 3x, which is one-ish for x equal to 0 and for x equal to log 2. Here x equal to 0 and x equal to log 2. Then we should find out these values. So first one, solution. Its auxiliary equation is the auxiliary equation is m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. Here 2 factors 1 2s are 2, minus 1 minus 2, multiple then plus 2, add then minus 3. So what is here? M minus 1 into m minus 2 equal to 0. So m minus 1 equal to 0 or m minus 2 equal to 0. M equal to 1 or m equal to 2. So m1 equal to 1 and m2 equal to 2. The roots are real and unequal. Both are different value. Unequal. Therefore, complementary function CF equal to a e power m1x plus b e power m2x. Complementary function CF equal to a e power m1 is 1 into x is x plus b e power m2x. M2 is what? 2 into x is 2x. This is a complementary function. Next, particular integral pi equal to 1 divided by pi of d into e power 3x equal to 1 divided by pi of d is what? D square minus 3d plus 2. D square minus 3d plus 2 into e power 3x. Its factories value is 1 divided by m is d. We have to change then m is d. D minus 1 into d minus 2. So d minus 1 into d minus 2. It's a factories value. So into e power 3x. So d value 3 we should substitute 1 divided by 3 minus 1. D value 3. 3 minus 2 into e power 3x equal to 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1 e power 3x, that is equal to 1 divided by 2 e power 3x. This is a particular integral. The general solution is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function plus particular integral y equal to Complementary function is what? A e power x plus b e power 2x plus particular integral is 1 by 2 into e power 3x is a particular integral. Next show here given x equal to 0. X equal to 0 given, then we should substitute in the general equation. This is the equation number 1. From 1 y equal to x value is what? 0. Substitute y equal to a e power x values is what? 0 plus b e power x value is what? 0. 2 into 0. Here y value also what is here? 0. We should take a e power 2 into 0 plus 1 by 2 into e power 3 into 0. Here given one is for x equal to 0 and y for x equal to log 2. X equal to 0, then its y value is equal to 0. X equal to log 2, then y also 0. So we should substitute this value 0 equal to a into e power 0 value 1 plus b into e power 2 into 0 is what? 0. 0 e power 0 is 1 plus 1 by 2 into e power 0 is what? 1. 3 into 0 is 0. E power 0 is 1. So 1 by 2 we should 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. We should take left minus 1 by 2 equal to a into 1 is a plus b into 1 is b. This is the equation number 2. Also given x equal to log 2. From 1 we should substitute y value is what? 0. Y is 0 equal to a e power log 2 a e power log 2 plus b e power 2 into x values is log 2. 2 into log 2 plus 1 by 2 into e power 3 into log 2. 0 equal to a e power log 2. Exponential form and log form is cancelled. So what is here? 2. 2 into a into 2 plus b e power m log n formula. Log n power m. So this is a in power we should take a log 2 square. This is the formula plus 1 by 2 into e power 3 we should take in power log 2 cube. 0 equal to a into 2 is 2a plus b into exponential form and log form is cancelled 2 square into 2 square plus 1 by 2 into exponential form and log form is cancelled into 2 cube. 2 and 2 cube is cancelled 2 times 2 square. So 0 equal to 2a plus 2 square is what? 4. 4b plus 2 square is 4. Divided by 2 this equation we get 0 a plus 2b plus 2. This is the take left minus 2 equal to a plus 2b. This is the equation number 3. Solve second and third equation. We should find out a and b value. The first second equation is minus 1 by 2 equal to a plus b. The third equation minus 2 equal to a plus 2b. we should subtract, then a is eliminate, change the symbol, minus then plus, so minus plus minus. So minus 1 by 2 plus 2 equal to, and then a minus a is cancelled, b minus 2b is minus b. So 2 2s are 4, minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3 divided by 2 equal to minus b. So multiply by minus, therefore b equal to minus 3 by 2. b equal to what is minus 3 by 2. Substitute b equal to minus 3 by 2 in second equation, equation number 2. So what is the minus 1 by 2 plus a, b value is what, minus 3 by 2. We should take, this is the left hand side, minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 equal to a. That implies, take the LCM, 2 is the LCM, a equal to 2, minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So 2 2 cancel, a equal to 1. Therefore, from 1 now, substitute a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 3 by 2 in 1, the first equation. Y equal to, what is a value? 1 into e power x is e power x, plus into minus is minus 3 by 2 b value, e power 2x plus 1 by 2 e power 3x. That's of the solution. Ninth sum, d square plus d minus 6 into y equal to e power 3x plus e power minus 3x. Solution. The auxiliary equation is m square plus m minus 6 equal to 0. Now factorize minus 6, 2 3s are 6, add then minus 2 plus 3, add then plus 1, multiple then minus 6. So what is here? M minus 1, m minus 2, m minus 2 into m plus 3, m plus 3 equal to 0. M minus 2 equal to 0 or m plus 3 equal to 0. M equal to what is m equal to plus 2 or m equal to minus 3. The roots are real and unequal. So what is we should take m1 equal to minus 3 and m2 equal to 2. We should take a negative value first, we should take it. So m1 equal to minus 3, m2 equal to 2. The complementary function CF equal to a e power m1x plus b e power m2x. So that is equal to a e power, m1 value is minus 3, minus 3x plus b into e power, m2 is what? Plus 2, 2x. This is a complementary function. Next we should find out particular interval. Particular interval pi, two interval, particular interval is given. So first one pi1 equal to 1 divided by pi of d value d square plus, we should write pi of d into f1 of x. f1 of x is the first one. So that is equal to 1 divided by phi of d value d square plus d minus 6 into e power 3x f1 of x, that is equal to 1 divided by, its a factor is then what is the m minus 2 into m plus 3. So we should change it is a d minus 2 into d plus 3, d minus 2 into d plus 3 into e power 3x. So e power 3x, 3 for d 3 substitute, then 1 divided by 3 minus 2 into 3 plus 3 into e power 3x, that is equal to 1 divided by 3 minus 2 is 1 into 3 plus 3 is 6 into e power 3x, that is equal to 1 by 6 into 1 into 6 is 6, 1 by 6 into e power 3x, that is equal to e power 3x divided by 6. This is a particular interval 1. Next, particular interval 2 equal to 1 divided by phi of d into f2 of x. 1 divided by phi of d is what? D square plus d minus 6. D square plus d minus 6 into f2 of x is what? E power minus 3x. E power minus 3x. We should substitute 1 divided by d square plus d minus 6, its a factor is then what is the value? D minus 2 into d plus 3. D minus 2 into d plus 3 into e power minus 3x. For d minus 3 substitute, then minus 3 substitute, then minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Suppose any one value is 0, then by the formula x you should add x divided by d minus 2, remove this d minus 2 into e power minus 3x is the formula. So minus 3 substitute, then we get 0. One time we get 0, then we know that the formula x into e power minus 3x divided by d minus 2. Leave it this term, that 0 terms. So next we should substitute for d is minus 3 x e power minus 3x divided by d is what? Minus 3 into minus 2. So that is equal to x into e power minus 3x divided by minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. So x e power minus 3x divided by minus 5. We should take in the numerator symbol minus x e power minus 3x divided by 5. Next we should write this solution. General solution is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral 1 plus particular integral 2. So y equal to complementary function, what is the value? A e power minus 3x plus b e power 2x. A e power minus 3x plus b e power 2x plus particular integral 1. Particular integral 1 is what? E power 3x divided by 6. E power 3x divided by 6 plus particular integral 2. Plus into minus is a minus x into e power minus 3x divided by 5. That's all the answer. Sometimes a e power 2x 2 here minus 3 is here is also correct. So we have to take a complementary function is it's interchange these places, then no problem, it is correct. That's all the solution. 10th sum, d square minus 10d plus 25 into y equal to 4 e power 5x plus 5. Solution. The auxiliary equation is m square minus 10m plus 25 equal to 0. So factorize is 25. 5 5s are 25. Add, then we get minus 10, then so minus minus. Multiple, then minus into minus plus 25. Here 5 into 5 minus 5 is minus 10. So factorize, then m minus 5 into m minus 5 equal to 0. So m minus 5 equal to 0 or m minus 5 equal to 0. So m equal to 5 or m equal to 5. So the roots are real and equal. Real and equal. So then complementary function CF equal to, what is the formula? Ax plus b into e power mx is the formula. So complementary function CF equal to ax plus b into e power 5x. This is the complementary function. Next, show particular integral we should find out. Particular integral 1, two values there. So particular integral 1 pi1 equal to 1 divided by pi of d into f1 of x equal to 1 divided by pi of d is what? D square minus 10d plus 25 into f1 of x, 4 e power 5x, 4 e power 5x. That is equal to, its a factories value is we know that m is d minus 5 into d minus 5, 5 into d minus 5, 4 e power 5x. So 1 divided by d minus 5 whole square into 4 e power 5x. So 5 substitute, then two values here 0, d minus 5, 5 minus 5 is 0, two values 0, then we know that the formula, this term is 0, then x square divided by 2 into 4 into e power 5x is a formula. So we should substitute. 2 and 4 is cancelled 2 times. 2 into x square is 2x square e power 5x. E power 5x. This is the particular integral 1. Next we should find out particular integral 2. pi2 equal to 1 divided by pi of d into f2 of x is the formula. 1 divided by pi of d value, we know that what is the d square minus 10d plus 25 into f2 of x is what? 5. 5, then we should take it's a factories value 1 divided by d minus 5 into d minus 5 is the factories value. 5 into e power 0x. 0x into x is what? 0. E power 0 is what? 1. 1 into 5 is 5. So 5 e power 0x we should write. So for d 0 we should substitute 1 divided by 0 minus 5 into 0 minus 5 into 5 e power 0x. That is equal to 1 divided by 0 minus 5 is minus 5, 0 minus 5 is minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 5 is minus into minus plus 25, 5 e power 0x. So 5 and 25 is cancelled 5 times. Here e power 0x divided by 5. E power 0x value is what? 1 by 5. The general solution is y equal to complementary function plus particular interval 1 plus particular interval 2. Then y equal to, so we should write this value here, y equal to complementary function value ax plus b into e power 5x, ax plus b into e power 5x plus particular interval 1 is 2x square e power 5x, 2x square e power 5x plus particular interval 2 is 1 by 5 plus 1 divided by 5. That's all the solution. 11th sum, 4d square plus 16d plus 15 into y equal to 4 e power minus 3 by 2 into x. Solution. The auxiliary equation is the auxiliary equation is 4m square plus 16m plus 15 equal to 0. Factorize is 4 into 15 is 60. 60 factorize then 6 into 10 60, add then 16, 6 plus 10 is 16. So we should divide by 4. Divide by 4. This is cancel. 2 table 3 times 2 times. This is cancel. 2 table 5 times 2 times. So 3 by 2. Factorize then 2m plus 3 into 2m plus 5 equal to 0. 2m plus 3 equal to 0 or 2m plus 5 equal to 0. So 3 we should take right hand side, 2m equal to minus 3 or 2m equal to minus 5, m equal to minus 3 divided by 2 or m equal to minus 5 divided by 2. So m1 equal to minus 3 by 2, m2 equal to minus 5 by 2. So this equation is these roots are real and unequal. Therefore, what is the formula of complementary function? CF equal to a e power m1x plus b e power m2x. Substitute this value. Complementary function is equal to a e power m1 value minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into x plus b e power minus 5 by 2 into x. This is the complementary function. Next we should find out particular integral. Particular integral is equal to 1 divided by pi of d into 4 e power minus 3 by 2 into x equal to 1 divided by pi of d is 4d square plus 16d plus 15 into 4 e power minus 3 by 2 into x. 1 divided by, it's a factories then, this is a factories value, m is we should change it d, 2m plus 3 into 2m plus 5 into 4 e power minus 3 by 2 into x. So these two terms, 2 is a common take out, 1 divided by 2 2s are 4. What is m plus 3 by 2 into 2 take out, then m plus 5 by 2. 4 into e power minus 3 by 2 into x. 4 4 cancel. 1 divided by m plus 3 by 2 into m plus 5 by 2 into e power minus 3 by 2 into x. Listen, minus 3 by 2 substitute, then this term is 0. This term is not 0. So one term 0, then by the formula we should multiply by x. X divided by m is what? Minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 into e power minus 3 by 2 into x. Next show particular integral equal to x divided by minus 2 is the LCM, minus 3 plus 5 is 2. So 2 by 2 e power minus 3 by 2 into x equal to 2 2 cancel, one time x by 1 is x e power minus 3 by 2 into x. This is a particular integral. The general solution is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral equal to y equal to complementary function is what? A e power minus 3 by 2 x plus b e power minus 5 by 2 x plus particular integral is x into e power minus 3 by 2 x. That's all the solution. 13th sum. Suppose that the quantity demand QD equal to 13 minus 6p plus 2 into dp divided by dt plus d square p divided by dt square, and quantity supplied Qs equal to minus 3 plus 2p, where p is the price. Find the equilibrium price for market clearance. Solution: given quantity demand QD equal to 13 minus 6p plus 2 into dp divided by dt plus d square p divided by dt square, and quantity supplied Qs equal to minus 3 plus 2p. The equilibrium price by equilibrium price, what is the QD equal to QS, QD equal to QS, equilibrium price. So QD is what? 13 minus 6p plus 2 into dp divided by dt plus d square p divided by dt square equal to Qs minus 3 plus 2p. Constant we should take right hand side, variables we should take left. What is the first one? D square p divided by dt square plus 2 into dp divided by dt minus 6p 2p we should take left, then minus 2p plus 2p is the left hand side, minus 2p minus 3 plus 13 we should take right hand side, minus 13. So d square p divided by dt square plus 2 into dp divided by dt minus 6p minus 2p is a minus 8p equal to minus 3 minus 13 is a minus 16. This is the equation. So the auxiliary equation is m square plus 2m minus 8 equal to 0. So it's a factorize of minus 8 factorize, then what is the 2 4s are 8 minus 2 plus 4 multiple, then minus 8 add, then plus 2. So substitute here m minus 2 into m plus 4 equal to 0, m minus 2 equal to 0 or m plus 4 equal to 0, m equal to 2 or m equal to minus 4. So we should write m1 equal to negative value, first we should write minus 4, m2 equal to 2. The roots are real and unequal. This both are not equal, minus 4 2. Complementary function CF equal to a e power m1t plus b e power m2t is equal to a e power m1 value we know that minus 4t plus b e power m2 is what, 2t. This is a complementary function. Next we should find out particular interval pi equal to 1 divided by pi of d into f of t. So that is equal to 1 divided by pi of d value is d square minus plus 2d minus 8 into f of t value is minus 16. So it's a factorize, then 1 divided by d plus 4 into d minus 2 into minus 16 e power 0 into t. So e power 0 t is what? E power 0 value 1. So we should substitute d is 0 now. 1 divided by 0 plus 4 into 0 minus 2 into minus 16 e power 0 t. So 1 divided by 0 plus 4 is 4 into 0 minus 2 is minus 2 into minus 16 e power 0 t values is what, 1. So now minus minus cancel, 2 and 16 is 8 times, so 4 and 8 is 2 times, 2 into 1 is 2. This is a particular interval, this is 2. The general solution is price p equal to complementary function plus particular interval pi. Price p equal to complementary function is a e power minus 4t plus b e power 2t plus particular interval is 2. Its value 2. That's all. This is the homework 12th sum of 3d square plus d minus 14 into y equal to 13 e power 2x. Do it yourself.